Animation sucks. And using the same 3 animations from Mixamo also sucks. But what else can we do? Having a motion capture studio which costs $1 million? Well, that's not a solution fitting for the average indie dev. But wait, there's another alternative? I got contacted from QuickMagic and they provide us with a free subscription to try out their service. They are an AI motion capture software which turns your average TikTok videos into an animation. Clean up the animation so you end up with a game-ready animation you can use in your future games. There are 2 actions to create a 3D animation: video to mocap and text to mocap. Alright, let's kick things off with text to motion. The cool part is you don't upload anything and you don't film anything. You just describe the movement you want and the AI built the whole animation from scratch. Click on text to motion and enter any text you like. I'll enter something simple for now. Now you can also select any character and choose how long the video should last. And here we see a wonderfully beautiful roll. Yeah! Now we move on to video to mocap. For example, I have a punch animation from a boxer. To convert it now, we click on Create, AI Motion Capture, and we have to drag and drop the video right in here. Now we can choose between different models. Since I need the animation Unreal Engine, I select the Unreal character. But you have many other options here. Go to Next and make sure that T-Pose is enabled. This makes it much easier to transfer the animation later. Then I set it to 30 FPS, which is perfectly enough for my gameplay animation. Click on Generate. It takes a little bit of time depending on how long the video is. You can now download the animation and it will be automatically converted to FPX. To clean up my animation, I use Cascadeur, but you can also do this with Blender. First I open an empty scene and add an Unreal Engine character that I want to target, so the animation transfers to the new skeleton. After that I create a new scene, go to File, Import, click on Import FPX and choose the animation from QuickMagic. Look at the keyframe count of the bottom. It needs to have the exact same number of frames as the animation clip. Make sure we are in joint mode. For the source character, I select everything, mark the entire timeline and click on Copy Interval. Then on the character that should receive the motion, I also select everything, mark the timeline and click to Paste Interval. We can start with a cleanup. Select all keyframes and click on Animation Unbaking. This basically clears out the clutter by turning every single frame into just the main keyframes. It makes the animation much easier to edit and adds a lot of smoothness to the overall motion. By the way, you can also add your reference video directly into the scene to see exactly where the motion needs tweaking. To do this, simply go to File, Import, Reference Video and select your clip. This makes matching the poses so much easier. The hands are usually the biggest problem, but that's quickly sorted out. To do that, we need to switch the copier settings in the scene settings from global to local. Go into the box controller mode and rotate the fingers exactly how you want them. Once you have your fist, you can select the finger controllers, copy the rotation and paste it across the other keyframes so the hand stays close throughout the animation. If you are happy with the animation, you can easily export it to your favorite engine. So here's my conclusion. QuickMagic definitely is a great way to speed up your animation workflow. The animation quality heavily depends on the quality of your video, but at least you do not need a capture suite anymore. Cleanup is still necessary to turn the animation game ready, but for me, the workflow was way faster than to create an animation from scratch. If you want to try it yourself, I have an affiliate link in the description, which will grant you some extra credits to create some animation, and it will also support this channel. Thanks for watching, bye!